You I'm gonna get George this deep fry from the bottom of this. Oh, my scissors need to be what's mine.
What? The bottom up.
Oh, they got it first. What my cousin do with it? Give me 1 minute, man. I'm bad for this, man. For the corn going in. You can do the black one, it don't need them. Cause I'm gonna need both of them because I put ground beef in them, the two of them. This little one. Corn gonna go in there. What are you trying this other?
And the chill one. The back one?
Yeah. No, that's the front one.
I'm saying.
That's the front one you got to put on.
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
I wonder how you gonna make this good. I'm gonna learn today.
That what?
Kool-Aid pie.
I'm finna make that now.
Learn today.
That's gonna be the first time I actually cook, make. I'm finna put that ground beef off in there. Corn in the refrigerator. Put the butter on. Butter, you can get butter out the freezer at the bottom. Butter put in there. Yeah, put one stick. What you say, baby?
You don't put no salt in your water with butter, right?
Yeah, I do. Kool-Aid pie got to be made. Fill that up with grease, Mama.
This.
Oh, here go. Drop a little in here. Just a tad. Because I want my noodles to stick. Hold on, and I'm taking this stop. Stop. Okay.
Indeed, man. I'm going to plug this.
Because I gotta get the fish together. The fish ain't together yet. Y'all want some Kool-Aid pie?
It was my first time, yeah.
I'm talking about you post on the camera.
Oh.
That your daddy got in my face. Huh? All of it ain't got the milk. Just I want a little some of the milk. Yeah, dang, this about to be busting. This together so it can be in the freezer and ready. That's time we get ready to eat it for dinner. Y'all, I'm going down in the kitchen today. Mona,
This is amazing.
what?
It's good. What you need?
Get a what kind of thing here? Get a spoon like this. It should be one of them. Let me see. Yeah, get that spoon right there. That wooden spoon.
This one.
That one, you get that wooden spoon. Rinse it off and then stir that what's the name for that ground beef. Wow, this together. I guess it was saying that's it for the now. I mean, what's the name? Then you let it soak on. So it's fine, bubbling like a little bit. Ooh, that Kool-Aid pie gonna be so good. Jeff, you, bro-in-law, Jeff, you. How?
Appreciate it.
You say, I ain't never had Kool-Aid pie, so okay. Okay. Go ahead and close it. Get this out of here for it. See how quick that was?
Look it in quick.
Wet. Okay, no, y'all ain't there. Oh, Jesus. Y'all don't understand.
Don't play with her.
Thanks, big sister.
Thank you, sister.
taught me how to make this, my big sister. Let me kind of smooth it out right quick. Then put the last of it down. Yes, indeed. I don't see why you don't eat that, babe. Make sure you eat pumpkin pies. That's it for you. It's on your home. I don't know if I add more seasoning to it. Oh shit. I'm gonna cut my hand. Honey, put this in the refrigerator. You know what I mean? Good, ain't that? You just corn. This shit is getting on my nerves. Oh, you told me no cussing there. Good enough. That bread, you can put that bread in the what's the name on. They can put it in the freezer. So we almost done. Why did you do that again? What time is it?
This is 4 o'clock.
You sure?
I'm gonna go to 3. It was already 3:40, so.
No, it wasn't. It was 2:40 now. It's the car just look like this. Time be on. If you look at the car sign.
Uh-huh.
Hold on, see that knocked out.
I thought.
Oh, I thought that.
I still haven't went to sleep.
I thought that was.
Man, on me. Yeah.
That's crazy.
Well, I haven't went to sleep yet because I'm trying to fix my sleep schedule. So I'm going to go to sleep at night.
I'm cooking.
Alright. Yeah, you see. That's the little clip on your tip.
What's on now?
Alright.
What about me and my brain? Oh, my God. I need some dry hands. Come here.
You're not gonna use these either?
Don't get. I don't even remember what I'm finna mix this lasagna with. And then what's the name? Drain it right quick. Put it out that way. Neil. Slap your mama is really good, child. Oh shit, I put that on my hand. Slap your mama is really good, y'all. So let's see if I can fish too. We watched a movie or something. Oh, girl. Mom, you use 1,000 paper towel. I'm about to reach your ass.
Oh, this one.
Girl, you better use this.
That's
They supposed to be right there for them, just with the fish going on.
Oh, we have to use it.
No, you use a side of.
My bad.
This too high.
Yeah.
Anytime you get like that, that's too high. And then you gotta know how. That's why you trying to. Lord, they good on bun us up in here.
No, I'm trying to use a cookie. That's what I always do myself. Certain stuff. Like chicken, I cook myself heavy.
Hello?
I don't know why this one want to play.
Yeah.
You can go back. Here, Mom. Let me see. This the one I'm gonna use. This the one I'm gonna use. I'm probably gonna use it. Move that drawer, son. I don't want no grease to get all over it.
Well, see about she next round already. She next one more out already, so they would be expecting me to see like stand one more out already then. Because I was getting more and then getting more short. You feel
Everything is going down in the kitchen.
Keep me off.
In the kitchen. Let me turn on. What? Now I'm ready to eat in the kitchen.
You got some?
Let me get it together right
You
quick.
need $40, girl.
What you got that on me?
That's a good old comeback, man. That's a hell of a entry, man.
Ground beef, hurry up and get done. So the lasagna can go in the oven.
I'm straight, man.
Ready
I got
to
$8
eat in this kitchen.
I like
in this
every
kitchen.
bar, though.
Hurry up, lasagna. You have that be in this kitchen, so I can eat you.
When? No, we didn't. When?
That should go how many other breads you know. Okay. No, turn the TV, see what's on. Down in his kitchen. Oh, I forgot we had cinnamon rolls. Cinnamon rolls. Oh,
Yeah, I can see this song.
boy. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. You trying to kill us in here.
I went back in the old apartment I had in the corner.
You
So
forgot how
faster.
you forgot how to feed that stove went?
I got up for about a week.
Jay Strick.
I'm trying to do my mood, man.
Babe.
This is
Honor.
Save this conversation for after dinner. Normal stuff with an ordinary job is nothing to be ashamed of. Okay, Bill.
Teacher. Look.
Once it's cleaned up, the nice dinner first. Thank you. Thanks, Dad.
They were gonna come cook. Oh, the ground beef know it smell good. I just need to determine the color it need to be. Get all the way cooked through, cause I don't do the red stuff. You don't do no. What you doing, babe? Mom, no, you get that cheese.
Don just pick up anything. It's supposed to happen right then.
I sure did. And went to sleep. I sure did. And went straight to sleep.
Man, I can stay out already. I don't have to report. Period, bro. I'm on no report.
What you doing?
You straight, bro. Yo.
Well, I'm in here making this food so I can eat.
Alright, bro.
Oh,